this is not the engine I'm supposed to be working on right here. We'll get to that other, but I'll show you something. It works pretty good for me. Is these greasers, these grease cups right here. I'll show you this. See, they're really clean. They ain't never been no grease in there. Brand spanking new. Actually, it was cleaned up with I think I cleaned them up with that Evapo rust, as a matter of fact. But they're really clean. So, but I made this thing up so many years ago, and it's just a grease zerk into a 1/4 inch copper tubing. And you'll fix them together like that, and put this down in that hole over there. Oh yeah. That won't go down in there. I have to get a different size. Yeah. Now you'll probably need one of this size right here too. This is 1/8 inch. Oh yeah, see that goes all the way down to this size right here will stick all the way down through that pipe to where it touches the crankshaft. So that's what we're going to do. Hole in that pipe smaller than this 1/4 inch here. So I'm going to switch them out. And this is a surefire way to know that you got grease. You got your engine greased well. But you put that down in that hole. Like that, till it goes all the way down to the bottom. And then you pump on your grease. Okay, when you pump this lever, it's filling that cavity down in there up. Once it gets that filled up, it'll push yourself back up out of there. Okay, y'all see the grease come up around it right there? So that means that's oh yeah. So yeah, we got that whole tube full of new grease all the way to the bearing. I'm gonna go ahead and pump the little cavity up there with extra grease. Level it off with my finger. And when you raise that up out of there a little bit, then you give it another pump to fill up that air. You know, it's just simple physics, I think, or whatever they call that. Yeah, that's that Lucas grease. It's in there, I think. I'm gonna start using that Harley Davidson grease from now on. So I'm just gonna work that down in there, you know, get that air bubble out of there and level it off. So, oh yeah, that's too much. I'll put some in this oven over here, but I'm gonna leave it over there right now, mounted up. Oh yeah. Actually, I'm gonna swipe that off level. Watch this. And then I'll bring it up here and put in this. If you leave an air bubble down in there, Just saying. Well, I should switch over and just go ahead and fill that up. Okay, on the first time, well, we'll work it down to them threads down in there. I mean, it's just your basic stuff right here. And, you know, I don't want to get grease all over the whole engine right now, so I'm going to leave it a little bit. Well, it's enough. Let's put it that way. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do them all like that, and then we'll get over on that understripe. Oh yeah, it's very clean. You know, clean up as you go. Well, you know, it's really hard to get too much grease on one of these old engines. You know, that's all it's supposed to do is slang oil everywhere. You know what I mean? That's part of the, they slang oil, they smoke, they make a lot of noise, not to mention that they're really heavy. I'm just saying, oil her up. Uh-oh. Out of grease.